So I am going to document my post-op experiences because I was looking for other people's experiences after this surgery and I could not find any. So I had a Tfcc repair and an ECU tendon debridement and repair. I had signs of rheumatoid arthritis in my wrist. All of that was cleared out. They completely cleared out my wrist joint. Discovered that I do have rheumatoid arthritis. So I'm about 24 hours post-op right now. I was not prepared for the pain whenever I woke up. They were very diligent in trying to control my pain. But I ended up having to have a nerve block near my collarbone due to my pain not being managed. But after the nerve block, I was completely comfortable. They monitored me for a while and I got sent home. My nerve block wore off this morning. I took my pain meds before I went to bed. So when I woke up, I was in a decent bit of pain, but was able to take some more medicine and get it under control. So I'm taking pain meds about every 4 to 5 hours right now. I am supplementing with ibuprofen, about 800 milligrams of ibuprofen about every 8 hours right now. I do have some intense pain. It is manageable, but it is still intense. But I am very hopeful for the outcome. Going into the surgery, I had about 10-15% function of my wrist, and I'm hoping to have about 85 to 90% function after physical therapy and after recovery. So I'm very optimistic. I'm excited. They will do labs on me when I go in for my post-op to just running rheumatoid labs to get a diagnosis on that. I think that's a positive thing. I think it's it's something that I can get treatment for now and hopefully not have as many issues with in the future. I am only 36. And this was a lot. I had a TFC repair previously in 2009 from a slip and fall. And I injured it again about 5 years ago in a car wreck. I figured that I had torn my TFC again. I did. But the rheumatoid part of it aided in the rheumatoid that was in my wrist leaking out into my arm, causing disintegration of the cartilage. And on my scaphoid bone, I do have bone-to-bone arthritis now, which is very unfortunate. But my doctor, Dr. Geisler at University of Mississippi Medical Center, seems very optimistic and seems confident in the repairs that he made. And I will go back in a couple of weeks, get my sutures out. I will stay. I am in a sugar tongs splint so that I cannot rotate my arm. It is palm up with my elbow down by my side. And so my fingers are very, very swollen right now, very blue, but that is to be expected. So yeah, this is day one. I'm going to continue to document my recovery and hope for the best.